Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there lived a man named Kareem. He had always dreamed of speaking English fluently. Every time he heard people speak it on the street, in movies, or on YouTube, he felt something spark inside him. But no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't start. Not because he didn't want to, but because he didn't know how. Kareem downloaded dozens of apps, grammar apps, vocabulary flashcards, pronunciation tools. He bought notebooks, watched videos about how to learn English fast, and even joined a few Telegram groups. But all this only made him more confused. One video said to start with grammar. Another said to ignore grammar and just speak. Some said to memorize 1,000 words first. Others said to forget words and focus on conversations. He felt lost. One day, while sitting in a park, Kareem met an old man reading an English novel. Surprised, he asked, "Excuse me, how did you learn English?" The old man smiled and said, "I started by not waiting for the perfect way. I picked one small thing and stuck to it every day. At first, I just listened, then I repeated. Then I wrote down what I heard. That was all, every day." That advice stayed with Kareem. The next morning, he chose just one thing, listening. He picked a simple podcast and listened to 5 minutes every day. After a week, he started repeating the sentences aloud. Later, he wrote them down. Step by step, Kareem stopped being confused. He found his rhythm. Months passed, and Kareem was no longer the man who didn't know how to start. He became the man who did by keeping it simple and being consistent. Moral: don't wait for the perfect method. Pick one thing, stay with it, the rest will follow.